Welcome on my YouTube channel Post Ads Pakistan. Before start today video, I request to all of viewers to please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Let's come to our today video.
How to donate a car in California? When you donate a car in California, you can claim maximum tax deductions of $500. $500. You can get rid of your car quickly and without paying any fees by donating it to non-profit organizations. The advantage of donating your car in that you can claim tax reductions equally to the price the organization sells it for. Before donating your car in California, make your make sure you do your research to avoid being scammed. It can be an ongoing nightmare to sell a car or find the best trade in volume something. It can even amount to week or month. Who know getting rid of a car cloud be such a head headache. Fortunately, you can fast track these process by making a car donation to a charitable organization instead. The car insurance comparisons super app Jerry has consolidated all the important information to guide you through donating your car in California. Keep reading to learn how to donate your car, avoid suspicious organizations, and find a list or legate charities that accept car donations. As a bonus, will show you how to reduce your California car insurance costs too. How to donate a car in California? The convenience and the time you save are great advantages that come with making car donations. You won't have to stress over finding the right buyer or trade in price, and they will even do tow your car for free. Below are the general steps to get you started. Find the organization or charity you want to donate to. If you do not want to get scammed, this step is essential. Do your diligence to find reportable organization. Pair one with a missions that aligns with your values to make your donations more meaningful. Check the Public 78 data with the IRS online search tool. This will help you verify that the organizations you want to donate to can receive tax deduction donations. Gather the required documents. You will most likely only need to hand over a signed titles. You may be asked for more information such as a car's make and model, vehicle identification number VNI, and current mileage. mileage. Check your car fair market value to get a ballpark figures of what your tax deduction will be. Kelley Blue Book is a good place to start finding the fair market value for your car. Schedule a pickup. Most organizations offer free offer free pickup service to make the process to as convenient as possible. Keep your donation receipt. You will need to claim tax deduction which equal the sales price the organization was able to get. How do tax work when donating a car? Question. Making a car donations also come with the benefits of tax deductions. However, your tax deduction amount will depend on how much the organization can sell your car donation for. For a, for a sale price over $500, your tax deduction will be a sale price of your car regardless of your fair market value. For instance, when a car with a fair market value for 4,000 is sold for 3,000, you would be eligible for a tax deduction of $3,000. For for a sale price below $500, your tax deduction will be the fair market value of $500. Whichever is lower, you can claim a larger deduction when the price of your donated car in market downs significantly to sell to a family in need. If the organization keep your tax deductions will be the fair market value. You can only claim tax deduction if the organization can receive tax deductible deductible donation. Otherwise, your claim should be invalid. Keep take away. The car donation industry has grown and become a scammer's paradise in recent years through truly research and organization before committing to donating your car to them. More what to consider before donating your car. Where to donate a car in California? If you're unsure where you should start, we will found six of the best organizations to donate your car in California. Car for Prostate Cancer. Car for prostate cancer's goal is to help increase prostate cancer awareness and prostate cancer survival through early detections. Donating to the organization is convenient. Since all of the DMV paperwork is handled for you and your car is towed for free on the same day. The organization will refurbish your car to sell it at a highest price so that your tax deduction can be maximized. You will get the tax deduction documentations required by IRS and you can check the status online 24 by 7 hours. Cars for kids and vehicles for veterans, Goodwills, wheels for Wish, and more many companies. How to find affordable car insurance quotes in California on top of saving money from your car tax deduction, you can find our service. More saving by switching your car insurance provider for lower rate. You want to even have to fill any form if you use the Jerry app. The trustworthy in licensed insurers broker Jerry can save you time by finding competitive quotes for over 55 top name brand insurance companies. Once you pick a plan that fit your needs, you can switch to it right from the app. Jerry will even help you cancel your old policies. And to ensure you always have the lowest rate, Jerry will send you new quotes every the times your policies come up for revenue renewal, so you are always getting the coverage you want at the best price. Thanks to Jerry, users have found an average of $887 in saving a years on on car insurance.
Thanks for watching video, but before to go, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.